So we're back at our favorite storage place to move the car over about a foot because...
Yeah, actually we've been going back and forth and...
Hold on, I don't know if they can hear you.
We've been going back and forth. I still think it's BS, but she put a rope on ours is the only unit that has a rope on it because I parked behind this truck or trailer, so I thought that was cool when we were here, but I was wrong again. But she roped it, so now we for sure know
exactly where to park.
I don't know if we can just push this thing or if we drag it with the little tripod.
You gonna drag it?
Yeah. We'll drag it one way and push it back.
I see nobody else has ropes on their misparked storage lots. Just saying. She just wants to keep talking to us because we're just so talkable too. I feel like I should have brought my little tripod so I could help you. Oh well. No. Well, he's doing that, guys. We drove the giveaway car here. Look at this fine, fine automobile. If for somehow, some way, some reason, you're subscribed to my channel, but not to Dee Dee's Speed Shop's channel, A, don't know how that happened, but thank you. And B, go subscribe because you could win this car, which would be dope. So go check it out.
You want to use the GoPro a little bit? I thought that's what you're using.
Sure. This is just for my channel.
Can you get the GoPro?
Oh, I have to do both? Alright, you guys, it has been a crazy 2 weeks, but, you know, that's life. So, I'm going to go check on Dan in a little bit and what he's doing in the garage, but I'm about to make dinner, so you guys seem to really like seeing what we're eating. First, I'm going to finish taking my vitamins. Do you want to know what we're trying to do? So, every day, we take 2 of these gummies, one of these, and one of these to help. Apparently, this combination helps not get coronavirus. So, whew, it's very messy right there. I'm just going to hide that. So that's what we're doing. But what you really want to know is what we're eating for dinner. So tonight, I'm going to make a very easy red Thai curry with this curry kit. So we'll see how it goes. Check in with you later. Alright, so Thai chicken curry.
Alright, guys.
90 Day Fiancé. Have you ever had this before?
No.
I feel like we need to like tuck your hair back.
Hey.
Amazon couch is still full, if not fuller.
Should we keep all our stuff?
Hurry up and take a bite. Is it hot?
Done.
Was it too spicy?
A little hot, yeah.
I didn't even add all the peppers it called for. Oh, is it really spicy?
Yeah.
Really?
It's a little hard on the eyes.
Oh boy. Just eat it faster. Alright, well, next time you see us, we should probably be in the garage and not just stuffing our faces. Okay, so we went from eating dinner, then going to the garage, to now instead we're eating ice cream, and he's going to edit a video. As I drop my phone. So, pretty much what that means is that we'll see you tomorrow in the garage instead of tonight. So, okay, bye! Okay, So, classic us. We finally got in touch with some a news station here in the city who wants to come and interview us. And at the last minute, we're trying to find all the keys for the cars. Did you find them? Oh, you found them. That's good. So we're gonna be on the news talking about this bad boy, which is kind of fun. And hopefully we don't suck. I guess we'll see. Time will tell. Hopefully the car starts if we need to start it.
Alright, and then if I could just get you to say and spell your name.
Dan Malcolmson, DanMalcolmson.
Perfect. And so, is this a hobby? Is it a business? What is it for you?
It started off as a hobby and it's taken over my life. I think it's an addiction. That's the word for it. It's not really making money.
And when did you start the YouTube stuff?
2 years ago.
And when did you start restoring cars?
When I was 14. It's been a while.
What was your first car?
67 Impala.
And where did you learn to do all this?
My old man was actually a car mechanics teacher. So he taught high school and stuff like that, and I ended up learning everything from him.
And there's kind of like a bar for entry to get into this hobby. Hey, you need a bit of cash to buy the car, and this the know-how. So how are you translating that to the masses via YouTube?
Well, I've learned a long time ago the rougher the car is, the more affordable it is. So you either have to have a lot of money and no skills, or more skills and no money. I have more skills than money, and everything comes home in a tow truck type thing.
For sure. And why is this a passion for you? What makes it so cool?
Whew. Yeah, that's a good one right there. I don't know. I don't. It's just an addiction. I just love old hot rods. I love pulling up at a red light. You never see the same car beside you and stuff like that. That's just my favorite. And they sound good.
And building them, you almost grow an attachment to that like a car. You almost have like a relationship or feelings with it. Did you find that at all?
Yeah, I definitely grow attached to these cars. I'm way better at buying than I am selling because it feels like you're kind of losing part of the family. So, yeah, I definitely get attached to these things.
And you're almost at 50K subscribers now. So how's that going? Are you excited about that? Or?
Yeah, no, it's going awesome. The whole YouTube thing started off just as I was on Instagram. People want to see kind of what we were doing on the cars. And so we started a YouTube page. And the first year we didn't really do a whole lot. I was just posting around again. And the last year it's just taken off. And we relate to a lot of people, I guess. Being able to work on ratty cars for pretty cheap is relatable, I guess.
For sure. And tell me a little bit about this guy. Are you giving him away? How's that going?
So this 4-door 57 Chevy, I love Tri-5 Chevys, so that's 55, 6, 7 Chevys. I've had a bunch of them. I bought this one on a whim in the spring, brought it home, immediately had buyer's remorse, didn't know what I was going to do with it. But it was such a solid car, and it was sitting rotting away in a farmer's field, I couldn't bear to see it just sit there neglected. So I brought it home, and I started working on it, and then didn't know what I was going to do with it. Danielle said, well, let's give it away on the channel. Crap. I thought, that's not a bad idea. So I started fixing it up. I fixed all the rust. I got it running. I did all those things. And then we managed to get a bunch of sponsors and suppliers on board. So it's got a bunch of brand new parts on it. It's got new wheels. It's got fuel injection. The whole interior's been redone. So it's actually, it looks really ratty on the outside, but it's actually a pretty nice car. Nicest car we currently have. We'll see how long that lasts.
And have you ever been recognized in the community as you're that car guy or anything like that?
Definitely a lot more now. Just people have watched the channel and stuff like that. So going to the auto parts store and all that, it's kind of cool. You get to talk with people and you go in there and they know the part you need before you even have to order it because they watch the channel. So it's been pretty good, man.
And working in just your garage, are there challenges associated with that?
Yes. Space is an issue. I just have this little 2-car garage, so we can only put one car at a time. As you can see, there's cars everywhere and stuff like that. So neighbors are pretty accommodating, stuff in the street and all that. But yeah, space is my number one.
And you both work kind of 9 to 5 jobs or day jobs. So how do you find the time?
Yeah, I work 6 days a week and stuff like that, and that's all I do. We don't go out a whole lot. Just we spend a lot of time in the garage, and that's why the YouTube channel's been great. Because we spend a lot of time together doing that. And this last year's been pretty easy. Just can't go out. So really managed to double down the time in the garage.
For sure. And who edits all of it?
I do.
Yeah. Where'd you learn that?
Have you watched it? It's pretty rough. I'm learning as I go. No, I am computer illiterate. So that was the other part that we enjoy is other people have started channels and they, ask for advice and stuff like that. I am terrible with computers, and I bought a GoPro and a $100 editing app and figured it out. So, yeah.
And let's see here. Does it help having a partner that's also into cars?
Yeah, she's pretty cool. That worked out pretty good. You just got to build her one car and then she was in for life.
For sure. And is there anything else you want to add or feels important?
No, I think that's pretty much it. I don't know. It's weird being actually interviewed and just talking to camera.
Yeah, for sure. Doing the selfie.
Yeah, it's weird. Yeah.
Awesome. And then I'll just grab some shots.
See, friends, this is why you get your local news crew to come and record you, because when they need tools, we provide. Mason, tell us about your Jeep.
It's a 99 Jeep Cherokee. My mom bought it brand new. I inherited it when it wasn't running. Kind of been restoring it. It's a lot of fun.
Because this is cool. We were saying, like, we don't see them in this kind of shape here. Like, this thing is a minty. Minty, minty. Thanks, Mason.
Of course. 2 hours on the highway.
Yeah, stay in the showers there.
Perfect. The hardest fix.
Look at that. Seriously, it's small. You didn't bring a little travel photo box with you?
I have like a tiny ratchet set that doesn't have the star tip.